So welcome to me and welcome to my beautiful house in Chiang Mai, Thailand. My name is Michael, and in this course we're going to be exploring and developing our intuition. So intuition is a very interesting subject, and I'm sure it's something that we can all benefit from having a little bit more understanding about how it works and what it is. So just to provide a bit of a context for what intuition is, one of my favorite quotes is by Muji, and he says that intuition is the fragrance of the self. Self with a capital S. So another word for self would be soul, or another term that I would probably prefer to use is something like alignment with the authentic self. Or Penny Pierce would say alignment with your home frequency. So this is sort of indicating to us that intuition is just a natural consequence of being aligned with our natural, authentic selves. So in this course, I've managed to kind of nut out 5 core principles and 5 techniques that go along with those principles that will help us to align to that authentic self and allow the intuition to come flooding through and affect all aspects of our lives, from business decisions and increasing our income, through to increasing our health and wellness, through to deepening and building better relationships with others as well as ourselves. And towards the end of the course, I'm going to throw in a few extra videos that cover things like intuitive eating. So how to eat when we're aligned with our authentic self and sort of take the thinking and the over-analyzing out of the equation. Also going to look at things like authentic speaking, so relying less on techniques and script and relying more on just being present and allowing our voice to come from that space. The course is going to consist of videos, audio meditations that support the videos, some quizzes, and some handouts to help you. So I really hope to see you inside the course. Thank you.